So we're going to come over here and we're going to right click on the field. We're going to edit boundaries, so it opens up our editing screen. We're going to go to include polygon. So now we've got our crosshairs. And we're just going to create a field boundary based on where I think we took the points.
At the back of that, we got a few back here.
Oh, we do?
Yeah. Isn't that the ramp?
It is, yeah. We did get some back.
Yeah, that's right. So we'll come in and we'll...
Yeah, that covers
That
it.
should be. Yeah.
And then once we're to the last point, we right click and finish, and then it grays that area in. So now we have our field boundary. So we can do save and close. Now we can double click.
Oh.
There's our topo points that
That's
we
it?
took.
Okay.
And elevation, they're colored by elevation.
Right.
And that's within the range that you've done. So this is the high and the low point.
Right.
The red's the high and the
Yep.
blue's the lowest.
Speak up, speak up.
Oh, am I part of this video?
Yeah.
I think everybody's going to be. So, and then it's showing you the number of points within 732.49 and 732.96 are 6 points
Great.
that are falling into that range.
Yeah,
So it's giving you a breakdown.
Wow.
Now, if you want to,
Benchmark
yep,
is the
If-
star.
yep. If you want to, I believe, if we come into display options, yeah, the point size is set at 30 foot. So we can come in and say we wanted to look at that as 2 foot.
Mm-hmm.
So there, now it's basing those points off of a 2 foot diameter,
Okay.
where the 30 foot just
Yeah.
congested and
Right.
That's more realistic.
Now this is just the one machine so far.
right. This is this one here. So it's, and I know there's more. There were different points taken with the two.
Mm-hmm.
So if we come in and we click on elevation and we tell it topography, it's going to look at the points that we've collected. It doesn't extend out to the boundaries. So that's, and I've stopped doing the boundary file. I create that within the Surface program. And then when I'm out with my vehicle, I'm driving collecting interior points, but I'm going out as far as I possibly can to where I normally would have been my boundary. But that way, because what we run into is like we've got here. Yes, we've got that large area for our field boundary, but it's only looking at the area that we've actually collected in.
Right. So if you took, let's just say, one more point right there, it would draw the whole thing out to that point, right?
Possibly.
From this one to there.
Possibly. Well, I don't think so.
I think it's creating the.
No, that's a smudge on my screen. I thought there was one point hidden in there that it wasn't looking at. But then we can come back and just look at our base data, and it's just going around the outer parts.
Yeah.
We can also look at watersheds. So there it's saying we've got 4 different watersheds in that area. But if we come back into the topography, we can click on the view, the 3D view, and we can look at this as a 3D. We've got a scale function.
Raise the vertical.
So did you take any point on the ramp?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so
That's what it's gonna show up now.
Okay, I know.
On the right there.
Yeah.
But we only got we didn't get all of the points with
Yeah.
both.
With both.
Between the two of them, we got them.
And for some reason,
I went up that hill, but you has a weird
See,
thing.
that's
I wonder if that's when
that red one is right.
when I got by the building.
probably by the building
Yeah.
because that's what that area should be.
Yeah.
But I was thinking that the ramp would have looked
We didn't go
because I'm
back the ramp far enough. Yeah, there was a whole horizontal.
Is it possible to zoom in a
Raised
little bit
elevation.
more? There's so much space around it. Really big.
let's see. Oh, wheel. Okay. I need.
So, Gary, what do you think is the highest point?